Hi everybody, in this video we are going to be learning our 12 times tables. This topic is part of the operations and multiplication area of maths, and it's suitable for children who are 8 years and older. We can say our multiplication tables in two different ways. The first way is 2 multiplied by 12. So here we've got the number 2 and we're multiplying it 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's the number 2 multiplied by 12. The other way of saying it is 2 12s. So here we've got 1 12 and here we've got another 12. Okay, so let's have a look at our multiplication table and blocks to understand what this means. Here we've got 1 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12. The other way of saying it is 1 12 is 12. It's the same thing, just a different way of saying it. So we'll go on to 2. 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24. The other way of saying it is 2 12s equals 24. 3 multiplied by 12 is 36, or 3 12s are 36. 4 multiplied by 12 is 48, or 4 12s are 48. 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60, or 5 12s are 60. 6 multiplied by 12, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 sixes are 72. But 6 12s, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12s are 72 also. 7 multiplied by 12 is 84, but 7 12s are 84. 8 multiplied by 12 is 96, or 8 12s are 96. 9 multiplied by 12 is 108, or 9 12s are 108. 10 multiplied by 12 is 120, or 10 12s are 120. 11 multiplied by 12 is 132, or 11 12s are 132. And finally, 12, multiply it 12 times is 144, or we could say 12 12s are 144. Great work! Now let's say them through. You can repeat after me to help you to learn them. This is how we say them. 1 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. 3 12s are 36. 4 12s are 48. 5 12s are 60. 6 12s are 72. 7 12s are 84. 8 12s are 96. 9 12s are 108. 10 12s are 120. 11 12s are 132. And 12 12s are 144. Well done! Great job! You've successfully completed your 12 times tables. Keep up the great work and see you soon! Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe and click the notification bell.